Hi everyone, Laura here from Razor's Edge Hair Salon and Wig Boutique in Timmins, Ontario. Today I'm coming on to give you a quick tutorial on the care and maintenance of your wig, how to put it on, etc. I'm wearing Ava from First Lady Wigs, a Canadian company. She's got a nice little lace front, mono part. Now lace, when you wear especially a wig with a lace front, you want to make sure you never touch the lace. Very important, because if it's damaged, it's very, very difficult to bring back. So when you remove it, just make sure you're not touching it. See how I'm just pulling it up? Now to wear my wig, I enjoy a wig grip. John Renault has nice ones, First Ladies has nice ones. This is nice because it's got the lace on the side, so you can line up your part with it. I've got quite a bit of hair, so if you're wearing it for fashion, you can do a little low bun, which will keep it in place. I like those little clips, just the flat little clips, and I get the rest of my hair out of the way. That's an option for, obviously, if you have hair. If you have just a little bit at the back, you can still do the little ponytail. If you don't, usually it just slips on nicely, so you don't need any of this. But if you have hair that might make it slide, it's ideal to do that. Also, some people prefer it stays glued. This is water soluble. You would put it from temple to temple, a little line temple to temple at the back. I like wearing this if I'm going somewhere at a wedding, or if I'm going to my church and I know there'll be lots of hugging. That way I know my wig's not going to move on me. But otherwise, a well-fitting wig is not going to move in the wind or anything like that. Especially this gives it extra traction. And like I say, some people, if you're not really doing much, I've got a lot of my ladies that don't have this either, and they're quite comfortable. So it's a matter of taste. Now, when I put my wig grip on, like I say, I line up my sides where the mono part is, so it looks like your hair, or it would look like your scalp, right? And it goes underneath, so it really does keep that wig down. Now, to put your wig on, hold at the back. Make sure your tabs are adjusted. You might have to try, and this will come with practice. If you're new to wigs, before you know it, it won't be a problem at all to put it on. I've seen a lot of ladies pull on the side here when they put on the wig. Don't do that. You're going to stretch your wig. So again, you hold at the back. You go low. Start low. See how I'm starting just above my eyebrows? Then I go down over my little bun. Those tabs on the side, I adjust them. Now, I'm not going to pull up underneath. I'm going to just adjust with my hands right here. Then you just style your wig, comber, however you'd like. But I've seen, like I was saying about the sides, I've seen a lot of ladies go in here and pull. See how I just kind of went underneath to push my wig grip down? I didn't go in here to pull. Make sure you don't do that, because you will damage your wig. Now, this Simply Styling is very nice. Wigs, when you first get them, have a silicone coating on them, and after a while it does wear out. So this really helps to prolong the life of your wig. This is Simply Styling like silk spray. So very, very, very nice. I've got a lot of my ladies, they run out, they make sure, they say, oh my gosh, what a difference with the wig when we run out. It starts showing the wear and tear, And those two little, you have those two little V's on each side. The ear tabs, they're like a metal. They're right here. That's what I use to measure. See, I'm still a little bit off, just to say I'm touching them and adjusting them. Sometimes they flip up because they're metal. You make sure they're down, because if they're up, it doesn't look like the hair is growing from your scalp. Now for washing, and few styling products, I really like this Peace Out cream. If you have a little wig that has a little bit of static to it on top, or you want to spike her up a bit, this is like a wax. You would not need much in your hands. Apply it, do your little spikes. It's a lot of fun. And this is wig wax spray from Treasure. Very, very nice too. You want to give a little bit of movement to your wig. Let me just show you. I've got one here. This is my wig. See how, oh, it lifts up nice if you use it. You can, and it smells nice, not overpowering. See how I'm just kind of changing the look a little bit, just a little bit. And it's nice with longer wigs too, longer curly wigs or wavy wigs if you want to give it a little bit more lift. Amazing stuff. Now to wash them, I always like cold water. You pour a little bit of cold water in your sink, put a little bit of shampoo in there, swish it, then put your wig in it and swirl. And if you've been really hot, put a little bit of shampoo inside your hands and then go just inside the wig and just gently go through the wig inside, and it's gonna, it just helps, I guess. Swish gently. Sometimes you need to do a second one. Once that's done, rinse under cold water. Same thing with the conditioner. Let it dissolve. Put your wig in it. Walk away 10-15 minutes. Come back, rinse. Now, never dry on your styrofoam head, because if you dry your wig on your styrofoam head, it's going to stretch it. So you want to make sure. I usually just use a shampoo bottle, a couple shampoo bottles I have in the bathtub. Let it dry. Doesn't take long. Once dry, bit of a shake, and it's ready to go again. And if it's, make sure there's no tangles in your wigs before you wash it too, because it's really, really difficult to get those tangles out after. Also, never use a brush on a heat-friendly wig. Always make sure it's a white toothed comb. Other than that, I think that's about it. If you have any questions, just post underneath and I'll try to answer them. I hope you have a wonderful day. You take care. Bye.